Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an inserted picture transparent in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a picture. Now we want to make this picture transparent. Click the picture, then go to the picture format menu. Then click the format shape option and go to the picture section. Then increase the transparency of this picture. Then click OK. Then click the picture and go back again the picture format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose none. Then move the picture on the text and we can see we make sure the picture transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.